is Connor. Oh yeah, give her a nice warm up.
Hold on, let's Instagram this.
Get her, yeah, you gotta get her.
Man, I've ridden dirt bikes forever. I need to buy one.
My phone's turning on.
Do you charge it?
I did. I plugged it in. I don't know if it did anything. Hold on, it's still turning on.
In the midst of sheer excitement to go dirt bike riding, Tom has to do an Instagram post. Well, great. Let's just wait all day.
Go rip, ya bitch.
I haven't ridden in forever.
Yeah, so... Oh, you're an idiot.
Look at this character here. Connor is back. He's riding Tom's old XCW.
Man, I haven't ridden dirt bikes in forever.
So Connor's excited. We're just riding around the house a little bit.
Connor is out here on the dirt bike.
Woo! Woo-hoo! Man down! Ah!
So Connor's bike, well actually Tom's bike, keeps stalling on him.
Ah. This thing not starting gear. What the f?
Oops.
This piece of shit.
Connor's getting a little flustered.
Woo! I haven't ridden in forever. It feels so weird.
Connor's still nailing his motor noises. All right, here we go. We're gonna go hit loop 3.
3 Red Bulls. Connor's at 2.
Right, you're following Tom.
Wow, I'm gonna be slow. Woo!
We start getting some stories going.
Drank 3 Red Bulls. That was a bad idea. Da-na-na-na-na.
Today marks the 4th month, and one day I've been dating my girlfriend. Uh-oh, we got a nice slow corner coming up.
Alright, so Zach and I are feeling a little energy deprived. So we decided, screw it, we're gonna head down to Nice and Easy and get some Red Bull. So we did.
Back to my story, where did I stop? 4 months and 1 day, if I said that. And oh, tight trees, and oh yeah, I didn't hang out with her today because I wanted to go dirt biking. But she doesn't know that. Oh, we got a tree coming. Oh yeah. Oh, we got a muddy section. Woo! Alright, now back to my story.
This is actually the most Red Bull I've ever consumed. And it's...
So they're just talking about stuff.
Come away, bitch. Oh, God. More work than stocks right here. Woo!
That's how you do it right there. Yeah.
Yeah, keep on saving that moolah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Brum. Whoa.
So all is well. We're continuing through, and
Man, it's tiring.
there's a hole over here that Connor doesn't know about.
Woo! Go, baby! Woo!
That's what I'm talking about!
Oh, my nuts hurt.
I was not expecting that to be nearly as deep as it was. That was so much deeper than I thought.
What?
That was so much deeper than I thought.
My nuts hurt.
I leaned so far forward for that.
I didn't think we had. God, my nuts hurt now.
Connor's family jewelry fell out.
Are you guys done with your little sausage fest over there? Can we keep riding?
What? Oh shit.
Yo, give it a better kick than that.
Hey, I'm on a hill and I'm sliding backwards.
You're 6'4".
There it is.
So it's going, and here's the fly trap right here. This thing's a little nasty.
Oh, branches in the face.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, Tom.
Yeah.
Connor's a natural. He doesn't even ride that much. He doesn't have a bike or anything.
Ah! I've ridden, my arms hurt. I've ridden in forever.
Yo.
What?
It went the wrong way.
Get on the trail.
Woo! Whoop-de-doo.
What is this doing here?
There's a dang tree in the way. I decide to stop and move it.
Come on, the plow these over.
Trail maintenance right here. You get in the way, you're gonna get something bad.
Brum! Having a Zachy boy. It's a nut smasher. Ah, poopy! Oh!
Holy shoot, that was a little deep.
So not much to explain here. You know, we're just making good progress. What to say? What to say?
Whoa, whoa, woo! Slippery log.
Oh! Tom having some technical difficulties in this tight technical section down here in the bowl out in the back corner of the property. Connor navigates through the section. I'm following through and I get through it. More stalling issues with Tom's bike here.
What the f?
Well, Connor's bike, but Tom's bike.
That? What the f?
That thing keeps stalling.
I know.
Now, how happened here? Go ahead, you can lead for a little bit.
Alright, Tom's gotta get ahead here.
No, Zach, you can lead for a little bit. You can lead for a little bit. I'll sit back here.
Minor confusion. I'm not sure what's happening.
No, I want to be in the back.
Okay.
Why? In case I die?
No, I just like being in the back.
This keeps stalling on me.
You just gotta get on her.
We're up towards Honeybee Hill, and Connor has a little spill.
Whoa!
He is a tumbleweed rolling down the hill, just falling in flappy form because he's so tall.
You alright?
Whew. Yeah.
Is your leg alright?
Whew. Think so. Oh yeah, just a little scrape. Yeah, hole in the pants, breaking them in.
Tom's alone in the woods. His natural instinct is to begin using his mating call. Shortly after, the herd of female hippos should make their way towards Tom and produce new hippo mans.
Yo, fishes, where are ya at, yo? I hear ya.
So we get down the hill.
Pretty good. He ripped his pants.
Whew.
Alright, Let me, what? Yeah, let me.
Oh, he stalls her. So we continue our way through loop 3 and it's getting towards the
I don't
end.
think it's that much louder. I mean, it is kind of louder. Maybe a little bit louder.
This time, don't throw my shirt in the toilet. I'd appreciate
Wait,
that.
what?
Don't throw my shirt in the
Shit,
toilet.
Oh, that's.
You remember that?
I forgot.
After we exchange some stories, we continue on.
Say, can you see? By the dawn.
Alright, oh, cocked it. Oh, now it's kind of chilly. Now that we stopped riding,
Stripes in the sky.
it's chilled off.
I hate this bike.
Get pissed off at it. Give her some throttle, just get pissed off.
That machine keeps stalling on Connor.
This bike.
Dickweed.
I'm drinking coffee. Things escalate over here.
Hey,
Dude, what the heck are you doing? Hey!
There's a tree. We got a tree down.
Get going!
I can't.
It's a bottleneck! Go up there!
There's a tree down.
Go! What is going on?
There's a tree down up there.
Go!
what the f?
What are you doing?
There's a tree down.
Just go!
How am I supposed to get around?
Go! Just go! Surrender!
Get in my way!
This is a tad bit slippery.
Come on!
I'm going, you bitch.
Get him! Get him! Go up there!
That was a fail. Hold on.
Right, go to the right. Go to the right up around that maple tree.
This is pathetic. No one sees anything.
Poor Tom's like, there's a tree in the way, guys, and we're like, go! Go!
What?
Hey!
I'm just coasting down this hill, and my front tire slid a little bit, and I go flying down here. And I gotta get the bike back out of here.
Shoot!
Next down!
Yo, the trail's to the left.
You go, suck!
Zach, what are you doing?
I'm trying to turn it around. Facing the wrong way down here. Get all buttholed in here, and I can't get out. So then I come up here, I almost fall over. Finally get out of her, and then look what happens here.
Why do you suck so much? Why do you suck at dirt bikes?
What is this?
It's a stick.
It's all that stick's fault! It's whoa! So we get back to the house. Well, that's a wrap. My coffee is cold, and I don't normally drink coffee. I'm not a coffee drinker. The only time I have caffeine is for the rides, because we got to have energy, and when I do commentaries, because you got to have energy. You just got to have energy all the time. Luckily, I don't require caffeine to function every morning, so I don't need coffee or anything. So, all right, I got to go to the bathroom. I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.